It's me, Jade, and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to look at 3 different ways to ask for something in Japanese. 3 ways to say please. Let's jump into it. Okay, so the first one is Kudasai. Kudasai. We've already seen this on my channel, but let's go into it in a bit more depth. For example, sono pen o kudasai. Sono pen o kudasai. Sono pen, that pen, o. Regarding that pen, it is now the direct object of this sentence. It means the verb is coming. Kudasai, please give me. Now, kudasai comes from the verb kudasaru. So, sono pen o kudasai. Please give me that pen. Another example. Mizu o kudasai. Mizu o kudasai. Mizu, water, o kudasai. Please give me. The second way that we request things is by using the word onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu also means please, and it also means please give me, but it is a more upscale word than kudasai. It can also be used in a lot more situations. Kudasai can only be used with physical objects. Please give me this thing. For example, on a menu you will often say kore o kudasai. Kore, this, o kudasai. Please give it to me. You could also use the same sentence with onegai shimasu. Kore o onegai shimasu. Kore o onegai shimasu. But instead of it being translated as please give it to me, it's better translated as this please. Onegai shimasu can be used in more situations, not only physical objects, but also service requests, asking for things like explanations, your understanding, repairs, something that's not just a physical object. For example, I could ask for a phone number. Denwa bango o onegai shimasu. Denwa bango, phone number, o onegai shimasu. Please, your phone number please. Or the phone number please. Maybe you're asking for an explanation. Setsumei o onegai shimasu. Setsumei o onegai shimasu. Setsumei, explanation, o onegai shimasu. Please, explain please. And those are the 2 main ways. There is a third, dozo. Dozo, however, has a few different meanings. As we already saw in a previous lesson, menu o dozo. Dozo means here it is. Here you are, menu o dozo. Here is the menu. However, it can also be used to say please give me if it is an item that is expected. For example, imagine you've called up a customer service line and the teleoperator is expecting at some point for you to tell them your name. And you were also expecting to be asked for your name. The teleoperator could say to you, onamae o dozo, onamae o dozo, onamae, your name, o dozo, please give it to me, please tell me. In this case, I like to think of it as feel free to tell me your name now. Dozo is like feel free. After you, you first. Here you are. Feel free to give me the information now. Please give it to me. Yeah? Imagine there's a bowl of chocolates in the middle of the table. You could say, chocolate o dozo. Help yourself to chocolate. Feel free. Chocolate o dozo. Another example, if you're in a taxi, the taxi driver might ask for your address, the place you're going to. It's expected for you as the client to provide the taxi driver with your address. So again, the taxi driver might ask you in the following way. Go jusho o dozo. Go jusho o dozo. Feel free to tell me your address. Jusho is address. Go jusho is making it honorable. Your honorable address. Okay, so in summary, the 3 ways to say please give me something are as follows. Thing o kudasai. Please give me. Thing o onegai shimasu. Please. And thing o dozo. Feel free to tell me the thing now. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know anything you need me to know in the comments below. Questions are always welcome. And subscribe to see more. Bye guys! Mwah!